So hi, this one is 3.2.3, good practices about naming worksheets, and this is a theoretical one, and if your Excel is set to English, it's always going to be defaulting to the word sheet and then the number incremental. In sheet names, if you're using any other language, then it's going to be the local equivalent of the same thing. And in general, I'm sure there are official good practices, but the idea is whatever is on your sheet should be reflected in its name. So if you have a look at this one, I could call it demo for demonstration, but in a slightly more real life thing, I could just call it fruits. And the way you rename sheets is you double click on the sheet name, and then you have it this way, so being highlighted, and you just type in whatever you like to type in, fruits, and then you hit enter. And therefore, when you look at a multitude of sheets, you'll be not confused by sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 15, and so on, where you would not really have much of an idea what you're looking at. There are certain characters you can't have in sheet names. You try to not use special characters, especially because if someone's coding Visual Basic for you, it makes life a lot easier for your developer. So try to avoid special characters and double quotes, and if you can avoid spaces as well, you can always use underlines. So thanks for watching, and the next one will be copying and moving sheets. Thank you.